Transforming a small balcony into a lush oasis is easier than you might think. Whether you're working with a petite patio or a tiny terrace, there's an array of creative ways to incorporate plants and flowers to make your outdoor space inviting, vibrant, and full of life. Let's dive into some stunning small balcony decor ideas that will keep you hooked until the end. Maximizing vertical space. Vertical gardens are a fantastic way to make the most of limited square footage. Install a trellis or wall-mounted planters to cultivate climbing plants like ivy, jasmine, or even vegetables like beans and peas. These not only add greenery, but also create a privacy screen. Pocket planters or wall-mounted pots can be filled with a variety of herbs, flowers, and small plants, making your balcony walls come alive with color and texture. Fairy garden. Add a whimsical touch to your balcony by creating a fairy garden. Use miniature plants, penny furniture, and fairy figurines to craft a magical scene. This can be set up in a large pot, a wooden crate, or even directly on the balcony floor. A fairy garden adds a playful element and can be a delightful project to work on. Start by choosing the right flowers. Opt for compact, vibrant blooms like petunias, geraniums, and marigolds. These flowers are not only colorful but also thrive in small containers, making them perfect for balcony gardens. Consider mixing different colors and types to create a visually appealing mosaic of blooms. Hanging baskets are another excellent option. Suspend them from the ceiling or balcony railing and fill them with trailing flowers like fuchsias or lobelias. These cascading blooms add a lush, layered look and make the most of your vertical space. Don't forget about window boxes. Attach them to the outside of your balcony railing to maximize space. Fill these boxes with a mix of flowers like pansies, petunias, and alyssum. This setup not only saves space but also ensures your flowers get plenty of sunlight. Use multi-level plant stands to add dimension. These stands allow you to display several pots at different heights, creating a dynamic, tiered effect. Choose stands made of wrought iron or wood to match your balcony's aesthetic. Add a personal touch with decorative pots and planters. Choose colorful or patterned containers to complement your flowers and enhance the overall decor. You can also upcycle items like tin cans or old teapots into unique flower pots, adding a touch of whimsy and sustainability. Finally, incorporate some comfortable seating to enjoy your floral paradise. A small bistro set or a cozy chair with vibrant cushions can turn your balcony into a perfect spot for relaxation. Surround your seating area with your flower arrangements to immerse yourself in nature. By thoughtfully arranging flowers and utilizing vertical space, you can transform your small balcony into a stunning, colorful retreat.